What's up, everybody? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie Weinrich. Here, we're helping you feel successful in your kitchen. So if that sounds good to you, we would love to have you subscribe. All right, 'tis the season for cranberry, and 'tis the season to have a house full of guests. Now, if you want to have a bar full of cocktails, awesome. If you've got a group of people that maybe don't drink, or you've got a lot of kids coming over, this cranberry punch is going to be the perfect thing to put out for your guests. You just need a couple juices, a little ginger ale, and it's good to go. The nice thing is you can add a little bit of rum, tequila, or vodka and make it an adult cocktail. So stick around today. I'm going to share with you how to make this super simple cranberry punch for your next party. All right, you're going to start with a really big pitcher, and you're going to go in with 2 cups of pineapple juice. Then to that, you're going to add in 4 cups of cranberry juice cocktail. You want to make sure and get cranberry juice cocktail, not pure cranberry juice. That would be way too tart. Then we're going to add 2 cups of ginger ale. The other option here is to actually add a ginger beer, which can be a little bit spicier than ginger ale. I love this punch with ginger beer. And remember that ginger beer is not alcohol, it's like root beer. And I love the Q Mixer ginger beer. It has a little kick to it. It's perfect in this punch. Now we're going to garnish it up with some fresh sliced limes. And if you have fresh or frozen cranberries, go ahead and add those in there too. Now I like to take the ends of the lime and just give them a good squeeze into the punch. It kind of brightens everything up and adds a little citrus note. Give it a really good stir, and your cranberry punch is all ready. This looks so good that I'm going to go ahead and make a little glass for myself and give it a taste. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Did you see how simple that was? So easy to throw together, even if it's right before guests come, no problem. Now, I will say that normally you will garnish this with fresh or frozen cranberries. I don't have any today, so we didn't add any. But if it's right around Thanksgiving or Christmas, add those cranberries. It's a beautiful garnish. You could also do the pomegranate seeds, the little pomegranate arils would be beautiful in there. We've got the kid-friendly version here. If you wanted to do adult drinks, you could add about 2 ounces of either rum, vodka, or tequila in here, and then just top it with the cranberry punch. Would be delicious. Garnish with a little lime wedge on the side, and you have an excellent cocktail for the adults. The other tip I want to share with you is you can make this ahead of time. Absolutely. Mix the cranberry, the pineapple, pop the limes in, put the fresh cranberries in, but wait to add the ginger ale until right before the guests come. That way everything will stay fizzy until the end of your party. All right, so that is it. I hope that you give this cranberry punch a try in your house around the holidays or just as a yummy treat, and that it helps you feel like a success in your kitchen. Join me next week for another video. Cheers.